On the fourth test flight of Starship, both the booster and the Starship's second stage landed at or near enough to their intended targets in the ocean. There was at least one major problem, though. One of the control surfaces, or at least the one that we know of because it was in view of a camera, began to melt during reentry to Earth's atmosphere. It spattered molten stainless steel onto the camera lens mounted on the outside of Starship. That was exciting and impressive that Starship survived that mishap. But it's also a problem that needs to be solved. There are 3 or 4 other Starships completed or near to completion at SpaceX in Boca Chica, and there we get to revisit one of the cognitive biases in Starship's development, the sunk costs fallacy. I would bet that the first fix that is tried is an incremental fix. Add thickness, for example, to the thermal shield tiles around parts of that control surface, and presumably the other one on the other side, because it probably fared no better. That way, those 3 or 4 other starships don't become scrap metal due to large-scale changes to the control surface engineering, size, placement, etc. And all that goes back to my initial fascination with the Starship project, that an agile-ish iterative development approach doesn't interact well with hardware, especially hardware that's the length of a football field and uses 39 rocket engines per iteration. Apart from the direct effect that the damaged control surfaces means that you can't have rapid reuse, this is also a problem that needs to be solved before a test flight of Starship attempts being caught on the chopsticks of the launch tower, rather, because control surfaces are critical to maneuvering within Earth's atmosphere.